you know. Okay, so now the salt is on the wires. I'll show you that. So all we're going to do now is move this up, like that. We're going to make sure we're in the center there. Okay, the joint is more or less in the center. Just double check. So now, let's take a light for them. So now we know that he's protected nicely, can't touch the body of the car, causing damage. This is just another alternative instead of using masking tape. So we're going to do the same on this side, trim this a bit. And now, once again, don't forget, heat shrink tape first, because if you're not going to put it on, you're going to forget. Then you're going to have to re-solder, because obviously it becomes a joint where it's closed, so you can't do anything. Normally sometimes you can twist the wire like this around the other one. You just want it to be somewhat in a way that very difficult really, so I should have made it a bit longer, but yeah, it's also best working with bare ends. Gloves all the time, but let's see if we can get. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to tie it like this. Let's try something here. We tie it like this, just once or twice, and now we're going to stretch it out with the main part in the center like this. We can even use this pliers over here to push it down nicely. So we know the double-sided tape too. So we're pushing it down nicely, so we know now that heat shrink tape will go over nicely. We're pushing it in that joint over there.
Full video link is in the bio.